Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z-Face. I'm back with another video. For today's look, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful look you can take to work, to school. So I'm starting off with my Kiss Beauty makeup fixer moisturizing water, and I'm just going ahead to spray that onto my face. Then I'll massage that onto my face just to make my face really moisturized, you know, to prepare it for whatever thing I'm going to be putting on there, because I really felt like my face was really dry. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can actually do your makeup but don't look like you've actually done makeup, if you guys understand what I mean. So it's kind of like a no makeup look, okay? Just how you put your things on your face to make it look like you don't have anything heavy or too much on your face. So I'm going into my V Beauty Photo Finish Oil Control, and I'm just going to pat that onto my face gently with my Dix cotton, and I'm packing that onto my nose, like my T-zone area, because that is where I always sweat. Okay, you want to make sure you put that onto the areas that you sweat a lot. Then next I'll be using my V Beauty foundation in the shade V Sun, and this foundation is actually lighter than me a little bit, so I'm just going to go into my foundation brush and put that onto the areas that I always highlight: the under part of my eyes, my chin, my cupid bow, my nose, and my forehead. So I'm practically not going to be putting on foundation on those areas. Well, I'm actually putting on foundation, but I'm not going to be putting the foundation of my shade, just to make sure I don't have a lot of products on my face, okay, or to make the products really blend into my skin so that it doesn't look like I'm carrying a lot of makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in using my brush. Then after blending all of that properly, I'll go into my Super Stay foundation in the shade 355. It's actually my shade, okay? This is my foundation. I'm going to put that onto the rest of my face. Go ahead to blend and just blend everything together, including the V Beauty foundation that I had on my face. I'm going to blend those two foundations together.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So after blending it properly well, okay, you want to blend it very well, I'm going to go into more of my V Beauty foundation to just cover up my dark circles, okay, because I felt like my dark circles were still really evident. So I'm using my small flat eyeshadow brush to do that. So I'm going right ahead into my beauty blender to just blend the foundation that I have under my eyes. So after doing that, I'm going to go into the foundation that is left on my beauty blender to pat my eyes. Okay, my eyes really looked dark. Okay, so after blending all of that concealer out, I'll use my regular Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and pat that onto my skin. I'm not pressing the powder into my skin because I really didn't want the powder to soak into my skin. I'm just buffing it on my skin as you guys see me doing. So I basically just placed the setting powder on all the areas that I had my V Beauty foundation, sorry, and onto my brows also, just to prep them, okay, before I draw them. Then I'll go ahead into my powder blending brush to just blend out all the powder that I have on my face. So after blending all of the setting powder, I'll go into my compact powder from Zaron, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend the rest of my face, or set the rest of my face using that. Then after that, I'll go into drawing my brows. Guys, I didn't really want should I say good brows or sleek brows, but my hands just drew sleek brows. I just wanted something very simple and not so dark, but my hands just went ahead and drew something else. Okay, so I have detailed brow tutorials on my channel. If you've not watched them, I'm going to link them down below. Okay, so after doing that, I'll go ahead to set the underpart of my brows and my lid space using my Zaron powder. So after doing that, just to make my face look smaller and give it that definition and to contour it, I'm using my Issa and Doe's dark powder in the shade 003, and I'm just going ahead to contour my nose very lightly. Okay, I'm not doing anything much, and I'm just going to also contour my jaw, or the underpart of my jaw. So after doing that, I'll go into my eyeshadow palette and I'll use this light shade of orange as my blush. I'm just using that very lightly. Then I'll go into my blossom highlighter and put that lightly onto my face as well. You just want everything to be light. Then after highlighting all the parts that I always highlight, I'll go into my makeup spray my face. Then moving on to my lips, I'm just going to line my lips with my brown pencil and then go into my pink lip Vaseline and apply that onto my lips. I just wanted something very simple, you know, something very easy. You can take to school, you can take to work, you know. I'll go into my Garnier mascara and just brush my lashes. I really love this mascara. So after doing all of that, I think that is it for this video. Okay, this is very beautiful, you know, to school, to work, or maybe just a normal day that you don't want to carry something too heavy or heavy makeup. You're not in the heavy makeup mood. This is good for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.